Ciao a tutti, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today joined by a special guest, Tamsin.
Not Eric.
And Eric, a pumpkin, little pumpkin. I thought it would be fun to film something today as you're here. Thank you for joining me in this video.
Thank you.
I'm leaving this soon because we can't keep doing this. So because she's here, I thought it would be fun to film something together. And in this video we'll be doing like a little game thing. So I'm gonna read out some pick-up lines in Italian, some bad pick-up lines in Italian. I'm gonna read out them to you. Then you can rate them and see if you like them. And then we can explain what they mean in English.
Okay.
Yes? Okay. Okay, so first pick-up line, bad Italian pick-up line. This is kind of like they're not as bad as I said, but
okay.
Ok, vado?
Yes.
Per caso hai una bussola? Mi sono persa nei tuoi occhi.
Get
out.
out.
Anyway, it means what's bussola in English? Like nord, sud, est, ovest.
Oh, a compass.
Yes, yeah. So it's like, do you have a compass? Because I got lost in your eyes. That sounds really bad in English.
Who has a compass?
Maybe GPS on your phone would be better. But anyway.
Yeah. Do you have Google
Yeah,
Maps? Like modernized.
Yes. Do you like that one out of 10?
10
let's say 10 is like, oh, that's a good one.
10 is a good one.
Yeah.
3?
3?
Yes.
Is that bad? Okay.
It's cliche.
Yeah, that's the
thing.
word.
That's
Yeah,
what makes it bad.
yeah, that's true. Second pick-up line. Scusa, mi indicheresti la direzione?
Che direzione?
Brava. Quella per il tuo cuore.
No.
This means, can I ask you for a direction? And you said which one? The one for your heart. Yeah. That doesn't sound as good though. Doesn't sound as good in English.
It doesn't sound good in Italian.
Okay.
It doesn't sound good in any language.
I think it does in Italian. This I thought, no, this is cheesy as well. This is
You
cliche.
like this one, I can tell.
No, I don't like it. It's just
you were
funny.
just about to say that you like it for sure.
No, it's like così. Do you like it? I think it's cliche. It's as bad as the last one, I think.
Yeah, I'd give it
a 3?
A 3 as well, yeah.
Ok, va bene. Ok, number 3. Credi nell'amore a prima vista o devo farmi un giro e ritornare tra un po'? Questa è bella. This means, do you believe in love at first sight or shall I just come back later? See, that sounds good in English, I think. That's like smooth. No?
Horrible.
Cringy?
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
3.
3 again?
Yes, you're gonna have
Need
to
to
do
know.
better.
Okay.
If someone said that to you, what would you do?
Fuck off.
Yeah, exactly. That's why it's a 3. It's like, get out.
Okay. okay, fair enough. Pick up line number 4. I feel like I'm gonna lose count, but anyway, never mind.
4, I think.
4. 4. 4. Sì, ok. Sai che somiglia alla mia futura fidanzata?
No.
No, no. This is not as good, to be fair.
It's probably better than the other ones, but
Do you
it
think?
still sucks. It's a 4, like...
A 4? Are we gonna actually find one that's a 10? Well, this means, you know, that you look like my future girlfriend.
I know.
Pick up line number 5. Ciao, salve. Sto scrivendo un nuovo elenco telefonico. Potrebbe darmi il suo numero? I love these ones. This means I'm writing the new registry, number registry or something.
Yeah.
Can I have your number for the number registry?
It's for you
Yes.
instead. Smart. It's so cunning.
Lol. Do you like this one?
4.
A 4? Oh my god, we're not gonna get even 6, I think. Pick up line number 6, I believe. Sei il paese delle meraviglie, io vorrei essere la tua Alice.
I feel sick.
So this means you're the Wonderland and I want to be your Alice in Wonderland.
This
is like
horrible.
Yeah, this is like -1.
Like honestly, it makes me want to tear off my skin.
So -1. It doesn't. We can't rate this one.
No,
But I think it was fun.
It's off the scale.
It's
It's off the scale.
Okay. Pick up line number 7. This is kind of like cliche, but ti chiami Google, in te c'è tutto quello che cerco. this is cliche, right? Yeah.
Yes.
You probably got out like, is your name Google? Because you're all that I'm looking for.
3.
3?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we've mentioned Google in 2 of these. We do not endorse Google.
Yeah, no, we don't. That's true. Yeah. Let's point that out. Pick up line number 8. Ti sei fatta male? Intendo quando sei caduta dal cielo.
I knew what you were going to say before you finished it.
This means, did you hurt yourself when you fell from the sky? That's bad. So I'm getting, what do you rate it?
3.
3.
Also, I've heard that one so many times.
Yeah, no,
in
it's
English,
really,
people say it.
Yeah,
well,
yeah. Like on.
Do people say it? I don't know, but I've heard it.
I feel like on dating apps they say it a lot. Probably.
Oh, God.
Right? Pick up line number 9.
Oh no.
Tu sei il mio sole e io la tua luna. Andiamo a fare un'eclissi. Questa è
It's
carina.
horrible.
Oh, this is like different, unusual. No? It means you're my sun, I'm your moon. Shall we go and make an eclipse? That's so bad in English.
What does that mean though?
Like,
Yeah.
dos become uno.
Night is the night when dos become uno.
This becomes.
No? Rate it. Oh.
3.
3?
Yes.
No. Unbelievable.
What do you think, Eric? No, Eric's got that face that's like.
Like, that emoji, like, the smiley one, but the creepy smiley one. Like, what the hell?
He's like really scared.
Like a creepy smile. Like, what am I even doing here? Why did you buy me? Like, I want to be in my shop. Like,
Unknit me.
yeah. I don't want to be alive anymore. Pick up line number 10. Sei religiosa? Perché sei la risposta a tutte le mie preghiere. That's like. This means
Are you religious?
Yes.
Because you're the answer to all my prayers.
That's actually sounds really good in English. Like, really.
You just say them normally as well. Like, are
Yeah.
you religious because you're the answer to all my prayers?
But I don't need to
It's
make
so
any.
weird. 3 to 4.
3 to 4. Damn, like.
You suck. Where did you get me?
Hey, see, I have my resources.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah, really bad ones though, I see. Pick up line number 11. Il tuo corpo è composto dal 75% di acqua e io ho sete.
Oh.
That's so bad.
Non ho parole.
That's like in English that sounds pretty like
Creepy.
Yeah. Like it basically means your body is made up of 75% of water and I'm thirsty. Oh, this is great.
It's like it hits you twice when you say it like to me in Italian, and then
And
you
then
say it, you translate into English. It's like, do I have to hear it again? It's horrible.
So what do you vote in?
I say that one's a 2 because I
A
just
2?
hate it. How
Well,
many are left to
We're halfway. Pick up line number
12?
13.
Some number.
Anyway, another pick up line.
pick-up line.
Another pick up line. Scusa, ti ho lasciato gli occhi addosso. Mi aiuti a ritrovarli?
A 4.
I thought it was better than the last one.
Yeah, anything is better than the last one.
Do you want to say what it means?
Excuse me, I left my eyes on you.
Can you help me find them? Doesn't sound the same in English. Next pick up line. Oddio, questo fa troppo ridere.
Oh no.
Ok, ciao, vuoi salire da me a vedere se il mio materasso memory foam si adatta perfettamente al tuo corpo?
It's just dumb.
So this means, do you want to come to mine to see if my memory foam mattress adapts to your body? I think it's funny. I think that's one of the best ones out of the list.
Okay, well, you rate it then.
No, a 7.
A 7?
Yeah.
On like
Humour. Originality. Oh, originality.
3.
3. Oh my god. Next pick up line.
Oh god. Stop laughing.
Sei così bella che sembri OGM, un organismo gnoccamente modificato. You see, this is funny though.
Okay,
Yeah.
this one's better. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna...
Oh, che bello. This means you're so beautiful that you look like OGM. Like OGM is like a modified. What's English for like the proper?
Genetically modified organism.
Yeah, you basically like in Italian gnocca. It means like hot, right? So it's like you look like a hot modified organism.
It sounds...
It got,
There's got to be a better translation.
yeah, because it sounds pretty good in Italian.
Yeah.
What does Eric
I
say?
feel like he's smiling now, but like...
A nice
It's
smile.
like
yes, yes, yes.
a 7. I'm gonna
A
give it
7?
Yes.
I think we've just reached a new record here.
Yeah, it's like...
Next pick-up line. Sei così bella che stasera una stella guardandoti esprimerà un desiderio. You know, the opposite of making a wish, looking at a star, but the star looks at you.
Yeah, I get
And the
it.
star makes a wish.
Oh.
A 4? Okay. We have 4 left. Next pick-up line. No, 3 left, sorry.
Oh, 3
3 chances of getting a more than like 7. Hai un corpo da clessidra e a me piacerebbe giocare con la sabbia. This I thought was one of the good ones on my list.
Really?
This means your body looks like an hourglass and I would like to play with the sand.
It's horrible.
I think it kind of on the same level with the first one. I'm like
It's
thirsty
like-
one.
A 3. Like,
Yeah.
the thirsty one is worse. The thirsty one is the worst one.
Yeah, okay.
It's
Yeah, I
horrible.
was gonna. Yeah.
Ooh.
Next pick-up line. This is kind of like
Penultimate pick
yeah,
line.
yeah, penultimate. Yeah, I never know how to say that in English, so I just say yeah.
Penultimate.
Yeah, that. Ho perso il mio numero di telefono, mi presti il tuo? This is cliche. This is very cliche.
It is cliche.
Yeah. This is basically I lost my number. Can you lend me yours?
No.
No. But I already have it anyway. It's cool.
4.
A 4? Yeah,
Yeah.
okay, yeah, that's a 4. Yeah. Next and last pick-up line of the day. Ti denuncio per traffico d'organi perché mi hai rubato il cuore. This is a good one. I'm so excited for this one because I like it.
5.
A 5? I think this is the first 5. Well, that means
5 has now become like
the
the new 7
Yes.
because it's like high standard is a 5.
Yeah, we probably should have done it out of 5 because then the 3 and the 2 would have looked a little bit better.
Yeah.
But this means
I'm gonna report you for trafficking organs because you've stolen my heart.
you see, that's kind of cute, you know. Don't you think?
Yeah, it would be cute if it wasn't like planned and said to like
Yeah.
the thing about the pickup lines is they're like they're sent to everyone. That's the point.
Yeah,
isn't
that's
it?
true. They're not
They're, like
original.
pre-prepared.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
Let me just
Only-
pull
let's,
this
yeah,
one.
they're just like out of a hat, you know. Which one was your favorite one then? The 7 one? Which
What
one
was
was the
the
7
7
one?
again?
What is this?
Yeah.
Ah! Gnoccamente modificato?
Ah,
That was his, I thought that's like my favorite one. Yeah, that was a good one. The one that we can't really translate in English properly. That-
Do with that what
Yeah.
you will.
so that was the best one, the one that you liked more. Which one is the one that you liked the least?
Thirsty. I'm
The
getting
thirsty
like
one.
shivers. Just
It,
thinking
honestly,
about
like
it.
it's pretty
Oh
horrible.
man.
That was not a vibe.
Please use these respectfully.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, use how do you say that? A tuo rischio e pericolo.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You might get drinks thrown.
Yes,
at you,
yeah, exactly.
slaps
Just pick
or-
one. Just pick the good ones out.
Yes.
There's no good ones in here.
Yeah. Just maybe find some other
Yeah.
ones.
That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. It was pretty fun doing it. Did you enjoy it? Did you enjoy
Yes.
rating my bad Italian pickup lines?
Some more than others.
Do you
but-
think they would have worked with you if I...
No.
Not even one of them?
No.
No. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to try harder next time. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Ciao.